Welcome to a world where every moment becomes a masterpiece. Whether you're capturing the breathtaking beauty of nature, the fleeting expressions of a candid portrait, or the smallest details of a macro shot, the Nikon D850 has redefined the boundaries of photography. Today, we dive into what makes this camera truly extraordinary and why it continues to be a favorite among professionals and enthusiasts alike. Meet the Nikon D850, a full-frame DSLR that combines stunning image quality, superior performance, and versatility in one elegant package. One of the standout features of the Nikon D850 is its 45.7 megapixel back-illuminated full-frame sensor, which delivers jaw-dropping detail and clarity in every shot. Whether you're shooting sweeping landscapes or intricate close-ups, the D850 captures it all with impeccable precision. The camera's lack of an optical low-pass filter ensures that every image is sharp, with an incredible dynamic range that highlights the subtlest of tones. With a native ISO range of 64 to 20,600, expandable to 32 to 102,400, the D850 is built to perform in both bright daylight and low-light conditions. The result? Crisp, vibrant photos even in challenging environments. But the D850 is more than just a landscape photographer's dream. Its lightning-fast 7 frames per second burst rate, which can reach up to 9 FPS with the D18 battery grip, makes it perfect for capturing action shots, wildlife in motion, or those critical moments during a once-in-a-lifetime event. It's a tool built for the unpredictability of the real world. The 153-point autofocus system, including 99 cross-type sensors, guarantees pinpoint accuracy, ensuring you never miss a shot, even when tracking fast-moving subjects. From sports to wildlife, the D850 locks onto your subject with remarkable speed and precision. And if you're into macro photography, the D850's ability to shoot at a resolution of up to 8K time-lapses or focus stack images for incredible depth makes it a powerhouse for detail-oriented work. Its silent shooting mode means you can capture these moments without disturbing your subject, whether it's wildlife, a wedding ceremony, or a delicate macro scene. When it comes to portrait photography, the D850 excels in rendering natural skin tones and preserving fine detail, making it an ideal choice for studio work. With its focus peaking feature and 4K UHD video recording, videographers can also benefit from its versatility. The D850 isn't just a photography camera, it's a hybrid tool for creators who demand the best in both stills and video. The tilting touchscreen makes shooting at unconventional angles easier than ever before, whether you're capturing low to the ground or high above eye level. And with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, transferring your masterpieces to your phone or laptop for quick editing and sharing has never been simpler. The Nikon D850 is more than a camera. It's a gateway to capturing the world as you've never seen it before. Every click, every frame tells a story, and with the D850, those stories are told with unparalleled clarity and beauty. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an ambitious enthusiast, the Nikon D850 gives you the tools to push your creative limits. This is more than just a piece of technology. It's a companion on your journey to create unforgettable images. Unleash your potential with the Nikon D850. Capture every moment, every detail, every story.